The next statement to be read out is by Timothy Naylor. It is dated the 26th of August 2022. Timothy says, sometime on Monday morning, I got a call from Joseph Nee. I've known Joseph since I was about 3 or 4 years old. We've not always been close friends, but since he got out of jail last time, we play golf and socialise. He asked me if I wanted to play golf. I said no because it was going to rain. I said I was going to buy a television, and he offered to take me. Nee drove him to Aintree Retail Park to buy a TV. They went to Curry's, the jury hears. Timothy says, I picked my telly, a 55 Hisense for £550 on finance. He also bought a PlayStation on finance after being told he could have credit of up to £4,000. They also went to American Golf, where they spent around half an hour looking at golf clubs. Timothy says, we all just watched the match together. There was general talking, but generally about football. The mood was sound. There was no tension or anything. Paul and Joseph let themselves out. About 2 or 3 minutes after they'd left, I heard 2 bangs, says Timothy. There was a pause and another 2 bangs, if not 3. I've come down and opened the door. I've gone into the garden and heard screams, and I realised it wasn't a firework. The screams were male screams, and they heard like they were coming from Kingsheath Avenue. I rang Paul. Paul was hysterical, sobbing on the phone. He couldn't get his words out. I knew something bad had happened. I'm in shock. I was window twitching and saw the police all turn up. Timothy says he stayed in all night because they were scared. He said the community was a really tight community. I had no idea Joseph was at risk. If I had known he was under threat, I'd never, ever have him near my house. The trial continues.